You may wonder why I'm starting this video looking at two chickens. Alright, so it's not clickbait. I want you to look down right underneath at these. What is it? It's just a weed. But the difference in the weed is where we're going to find the secret to our banana growth. Let me show you this one. Now that's around the chickens. Now these are the same weeds, and you can see that this hasn't been cut. So it's not like I cut the other ones and these haven't been cut back. I'll go up in here. This is rarely cut. Look how small the same weeds are. The reasoning is the nitrogen in your chicken manure is what makes green stuff grow crazy. So if you have like lettuce, not trees per se. So if you're growing trees, and remember that the banana is not a tree, it's actually a plant. And I'll go and show you that it's actually just all leaves. So I've been doing some research, and it's telling me that if I can up my nitrogen or up my manure, because bananas are heavy feeders. So if you have, you see all that manure in there? Get out of the way, chickens. But this is where we first had the chickens at. And you can see how green and lush the weeds are. So I'm gonna bring y'all to the back and show you this banana tree or plant right now. So what we have here, we tried some everything to keep as much of this stalk alive as possible. What happens when the summer comes, it's just straight growing, right? But when the winter comes, what kills the leaves, it's kind of like frost kills all of your plants, your tender leaves. It kills this, which is, let me get on the better side so you can see, right? All the winter does is kill your leaves, which is, that's what the whole banana plant is made out of. If you can see, it's just wrapped right here. I'll show you. It's got to get in close on this thing. The whole banana plant, let's see what's the best angle. All right, so the whole banana plant is just wrapped up. It's just like leaves come up on itself, leaves come up on itself, leaves come up on itself, and the actual growth comes from in the middle. It's all leaves. So what we did this winter was we mulched it up as high as we could. I got a better idea, but I didn't have enough time to do it. But this worked. I kept it high. If you have banana plants, when you mulch them, or if you don't mulch them, they'll die all the way down to the ground. So with this being early spring, I got about 3 or 4 feet saved of this banana stalk. And that's gonna put me way ahead of the game on trying to get some fruits this year, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this plastic off and I'm gonna let it start to breed, but I'm not gonna move those wood chips away. I'm gonna add a lot of chicken manure. Now I do have some that's actually over here. Here go Bells with lunch. I'll get it. I took this out of my chicken cage because I didn't want to put it on too hot. So I had this out and I just got it sitting here. And I've been having this sitting here since before winter. So this has been out here about 2 or 3 months. I'm going to take all of this chicken manure in the wheelbarrow and I'm going to put it over here. This is a low spot in the yard. It holds water a little bit, so it's going to be good for the banana plant because it loves water anyway. And we're going to keep our fingers crossed. The next update I do on this thing, it better have some kind of little flower on it. So let's look back at about another, I don't know, what takes about 8 months, 9 months or something, I don't know. But hopefully we can get this thing growing tall enough and big enough where it can put us off some kind of flower. We'll see. Grow, grow, grow.